Morning. Welcome to this lesson on sound banks. Sound banks on oi and o. I'm not supposed to sound that to you. I'm supposed to let you guys sound it. But no problem. Let's continue. It's your lucky day. Don't mind. Okay. Now let's talk about oi first. Oi, actually the two sounds are different sounds, vowels. The type of vowels that is called diphthongs. Okay, so let's talk more on those sounds. Oi is often spelled in words from I, that's right, Y, O, that is realized in words from letter O, often. And in some other words, you can get it from OA, you can get it from O ending with E, O-E. That means O in the middle of the word and the word ends with E in some other words. Most words O, few words OA like that. Okay, let's talk about examples now, examples of oi. Oh, come on, you guys should tell me examples of oi. It's quite simple. That's right, words like destroy, enjoy, employ, deploy, enjoyments, deployments, some other words like that. So that means that we can get oi not from only oi, but in some other words we get it from oy. Okay, now appointments, from such words we have oi from oi. Let's move to the other sound we're learning today. That's the O in words like, words we have O alone in words like row, throw. Such words we have O from only letter O. Now in some other words we can get O from OA, words like roast, toast, built, toad, the frog family, toad. Okay? Now, some other words where we can get O from O to E. That means O in the middle of a word and the word ending with E. Enthroned, bone, alone, broke, smoke. So those type of words will see O sound in such words where the O is spelled with O in the middle and the E and in the word O. Good. So now to transcribe O, and you guys should have been familiar with transcription by now, so you should be able to transcribe words on O. All you need to do is listen to the word you pronounce first, and then transcribe what you pronounced. It's as simple as that. Good. So let's take, for example, enthronement. Enthronement, the first sound is enthronement. Oh, pardon me, not that's E there, it's taken short, it's and okay, to transcribe such words, you have this is your and enthronement. Let's pick one word also from the other sound, which is oi. Oh, pardon me. I mean, yeah, that's right. We just talked about O, so the other one is oi. Good. Let's pick a word like joint. Good. Joint. Joint. J. Oi. So simple as that. So J. Do you remember J? Right J over here. Let me see. You should still remember this is J. Small d and this, that's J. Okay, now oi, and that's joint. The way the word is pronounced, not the way it is spelled. Okay, so we'll enter this class here. You have some list of words which you will learn more on words with I and O, and also how to transcribe words on both sounds. After that, you will have homework to do on it. You might have words, or you will have to list words on your own. After listening, you will then transcribe them. It's as simple as that. I think I'll be giving you guys 10 words for your level. You guys are seniors, so 10 words. Good. Okay, so enter this class here. Don't forget the topic is sound bands on I and O. Thank you, and I'll see you all in the next lesson.